Okay guys, a quick what if. Found these on eBay. Okay, they are a 22 12 5 turn 2700 kV motor. Okay, so this is really interesting me. These, unfortunately, the silly eBay supplier man that I bought these from sent 2 instead of 4. So I'm in the middle of getting my money returned. It was either wait and get another 2 or have the money returned. So I thought, okay, just return my money and we'll go from there. During that time, I've found some 22 1208s. I believe they're an 8T. So 2700 kV as well. And they will be 8mm instead of 22mm like these ones are. Now, my question is, okay, so we don't have a threaded top for the prop. We've got to use a prop adapter. They do supply the prop adapter. The entire package weighs around 50 grams, I think, without the cross mount, without that. If you just do the prop adapter with the motor, chuck it on the scales, it's about 49 grams or something. So my question to the RC world guys out there is this. Why can't I use these? Why can't I use, if I didn't use these, use the 08s, which I now have on delivery, on order, being sent, and fly them on the ZMR frame? Now, I haven't seen anywhere anybody do this yet. Now, I'm surmising the reason people don't do this is because they're a little heavy compared to the old, 1806s, 1804s. You know, they are a little heavy. But it's not that much. Like, is it that much? Like, am I used to flying big monsters that I'm being silly? So anyway, the 08s, I believe the 08s are going to come in at about 6 grams lighter, 7 grams lighter, with the props. So they're going to be, 40 grams a motor. So, like, the Tiger motors, they're 30, 32, 34 grams. Everyone raves, so I'm spinning 40 grams more than Tigers when you got them in the air. All 4 of them. I don't know, so this might be groundbreaking. Because, yes, I'm a tight ass, and guess how much I pay for these? Like, I pay on the net, I'm paying landed for these sort of motors, $5, $6 each, and that's with the prop adapter screws, the cross member, the cross mount plate, it's $6. What do you buy for $6? So, you definitely don't buy Tiger motors for $6. Tiger motors are, $50 each. So we're going to put some of these very similar, same looking things, 4mm smaller in height, all up 40 grams more in weight than, say, Tiger motors. And man, I can't wait to buy a thrust measuring device, because everything I read, they out thrust the 2208s made by the same mob as these guys. They're putting out, like when you use a normal 3-cell LiPo, and they're putting out 800 gram of thrust. So, if you're putting out 4 lots of 8, even if I get this thing weighing to 40 grams more, like, really? Is it? Anyway, so, this is some good old Steve's training vids. Let's see we'll have a go, we'll have a play. When the 2208s come, we'll whack them on this frame, we'll get rid of the cables, and we'll solder it directly to the ESC using the Fun Sky jobs that I buy. They just fit nicely on the arm with the wires all cut off, and we'll just solder it directly to it. And I have, for this frame, I have ordered the PCB plate. So we'll rack this plate off and we'll whack the PCB plate in. So, fun coming up. And we'll see why everyone pays a shitload of money. Is it just for the threaded shaft? Is that where I'm going to lose out at 2700 kV? Am I going to keep losing props? We'll see. Okay guys, stay tuned for this side of it. See you later.